Exhale, left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. And stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. And stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chap tay. Hít vào hai tay lên. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, hai tay xuống, đảo xuống. Forward bending, Padahastasana. Chân phải ra sau. Inhale, right leg back. Gối xuống. Hai tay, both hands side of the body. Hai tay xuống. Look up, chin up. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hai tay swung, drop your both palms down, left leg back to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sung, go sung, come sung chaturanga. Inhale, cobra pose, slowly up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Yes, one by one, heel up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same, right leg, chin high. Inhale, up. Exhale, down, lenchuk. Drop your knee, both hands side of the body. Hai thigh swung. Again. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Drop your both palm down, chin chai siklen. Left leg front to forward bending. Inhale, arch back, go back maximum. Exhale, namaste. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time, same, hit bow. High Thailand. Raise both hands up. Go back maximum. Exhale, slowly come down. Yes, forward bending. Inhale, left leg back, chin chaira sao. Goisung, high Thailand. Come to Anjani Asana, high Thailand. Raise both hands up, look up, chin up. Yes, 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hand back side, high Thailand, Daosung. If possible, knee up, Goilen. Both hand back side, interlock your finger, raise both hands up and forehead touch to mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, tai chai gap, tai sung. Drop your left elbow down, goilen, tai filen. Try to knee up and right hand straight up. Excellent. Hold on everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palms down, hai tai sung. Chin phaira sao, right leg back to plank pose. Again, body should be straight, one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Sung, chaturanga, or come to Ashtanga. Very good. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Slowly up. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, downward dog. Again, one by one, heel up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Doichan. Change your leg. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left leg front in between your palm. Drop your knees. Raise your both hands up. Yes. Go back. Maximum. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. High thigh back side. Interlock your finger. Raise your both hands up and head down. Yes. Very good job. 1. Try to knee up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai Phi, Gap Tai Sung. Drop your right elbow down and left hand all the way up. Yes, very good, excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High thigh swung. Chanchara, left leg back to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line again. Very good, excellent. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Swipe 5, thigh 5 in. Turn your body right side plank. And if possible, then fold your right leg. Chin 5 up, chin len. Yes, fold your right leg over your left thigh. Yes, 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good job. Some change your side, please. Yeah, twisting. 1, chin chai len, left leg up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, drop your knee, chest and chin. Goisung, kamsung. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujangasana, slowly up. Exhale, downward dog, Mamlendao swung. Again, sim, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit bow, chan, file in. Inhale, right leg up. Right leg front. Exhale, chan, file in. Chuk, goilin, high thigh in. Come to warrior number 1. Very good, excellent. Stay here. 1, good job. 2, 3, 4, 5. Tutusung. Slowly, a little bit down. Yes, very good, excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tai Chai swung. Tai Filin. Left hand down, right hand straight up. Excellent, beautiful, looking beautiful, everybody. 1, good job, good job. 2, more beautiful. 3, 4, 5. Okay, high thigh swung. Chan Phaira Sao, right leg back. Again, come to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Sung Chaturanga or come to Ashtanga. Hold the breathe. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Exhale, downward facing dog, Thang Tai Thang Chen. Just tight your body, tight your cup muscle, tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doi Chen, Sam, hit bow, Chen child and left leg up, straight up. Exhale, Len Chuk, left leg front. Yes, again inhale, raise your both hands up, come to warrior number 1, Virabhadrasana. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, 5. Exhale, slowly come down. 3, 4, 5. Tai Phi swung. Drop your right palm down. Inhale, left hand all the way up. Excellent. Good job, everybody. Nice. 1, excellent. Hold on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. High thigh swung. Chan Chai Rasa. Left leg back. Again, same. Plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sung chaturanga. Slowly come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Okay, good job. 1, nice. 2, 3, 4, 5. Tha, Mamlen, Dao Swang, downward dog. Again, same, one by one. Everybody, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time, inhale, right leg up, Chenphai Len. Right leg front, in between your palm, Len Chuk. High Thai Len. Come to kite pose. Yes, raise your both hands up and left leg up if you can. Balance. 1, beautiful. 2, 3, 4, 5. Thigh 5 swung. Drop your right palm down. Left hand up. Left hand grab your right left ankle. Tai chai chan chai. Yes, stay here. Very good. Excellent. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come center. High chin chup chin. Come to eagle pose. Gaurasana. Yes, very good. Excellent. Tato. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Raise both hands up. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai chai chan chai. Tai chai. Yes, tai filing. Left hand grab your knees. Right hand over your head. Go back. Maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Come to dancing posture. Left hand grab your ankle, right hand over your head. Yes, very good. Good job. Come to dancing posture. 1. Keep balance. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. High chin, chup chin. Inhale. Raise both hands up. Exhale. Slowly. Come down. Forward bending. Chin Phaira Sao, Chin Chaira Sao. Right leg back, left leg back. Again, plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sung Chaturanga. Yes. Or come to Astanga. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Slowly up. Very good. Beautiful. Stay here. Couple of breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Mamlenda swung. Again, one more. Come on, everybody. One by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, Tai Phi Chan Chai. Right hand grab your left ankle. Yes. Right hand grab your left ankle and head down. Excellent. Stay here. Tight your core muscle, tight your thigh. 1. Excellent, everybody. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Same. Doi tai, doi chen. Left hand grab your right ankle and head down. Slowly come down. Good job. Excellent. 1. Hold on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now hit bow. Chan chai lin. Left leg up. Exhale. Left leg front. Hand side of the body. Right leg up. Come to kite pose. Yes, very good. Excellent. Hold on. Very good job. 1. Keep balance. 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai Chai. Drop your left palm down. Right hand over your head. Right hand grab your right ankle. If you cannot, just try to balance yourself. 1, 2. Good job, everybody. 3, 4 and 5. Okay, come to eagle pose. Gaurasana, Chanpai, right leg cross. Yes, both hand cross, and you have to stay here a couple of breath. Just try to maintain your breath. Excellent. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Inhale. First fold your right leg and raise your both hands up. High thigh. High thigh. Chi high thigh len. High thigh len. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now right hand grab your knees, thigh 5, chin 5, and left hand over your head. Go back maximum, everybody. Excellent. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Dancing posture. Right hand grab your ankle. Yes, right leg up and left hand a little bit bend forward. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax. Legs together. Inhale, raise both hands up. Exhale, slowly. Swipe 5. Right side bent. Inhale, up. Exhale, left side. Inhale, up. Exhale, right side. Inhale, up. Exhale, left side. Very good. Right hand grab your big toes and left hand up. Yes, beautiful. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg to the right side. Left hand to the left side. And if possible, then left hand back side. Yes, Tutu Sung. Slowly, a little bit down. Yeah. Very good. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Sim. Change your leg, please. Left leg up. Chanchai, tai chai, chanchai. Left hand grab your big toes and right hand over your head straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twisting. Yeah. Left leg to the left side. Right hand to the right side and right hand back side. Again, thigh five back side. Up thigh to the sung. Slowly come down. Very good. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Nice. Okay, come to Utkatasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chap thigh. Swai phai. Tai chai swang. Tai phai lin. Namaste. Right side. Left hand down and right hand straight up. Kanai dok chan chai. Gap chan lin. If possible, then left leg little bit up. Yes, very good, excellent. Jai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay, one more. Last one, please. Inhale up. Exhale. Same. Left side. Twisting. Chap thigh. Swai chai. Thigh phai swang. Thigh chalin. Drop your right palm down. Left hand up. And if possible, then right leg little bit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Please sit down, Noisung.